In one of the previous sessions, we spoke about the use cases of blob storage. To create a blob storage, we first need to have a storage account. We have also seen how a storage account can be created in one of the previous demonstrations. To create a blob, what you need is a container. The container resides inside the storage account. The picture here demonstrates the relationship between the resources. Within the storage account, you can group as many blobs as needed in a container. A container provides a grouping of the set of blobs. All blobs must be in a container. A storage account can contain unlimited number of containers. There is no limit to that. Also, a container can store unlimited number of blobs. Everything that you create must be created in lowercase, numbers, and hyphens and must begin with a letter or a number. The name must also be between 3 and 63 characters long. So remember that blobs are sitting inside a container. Container is sitting inside a storage account. You can have unlimited blobs inside a container and unlimited containers inside a storage account.